Hi, in this video we'll know how to Outfox Keyloggers, a very dangerous malware that can harm you in many ways. Actually, what is a keylogger? A keylogger, or in other words keystroke logging, is a type of surveillance software that once installed on a system has the capability to record every keystroke made on that system. Keyloggers often are delivered with using social engineering tricks. For example, you find an interesting free game in the internet, or you find some free software, you read about that software, and the description is very attractive. So you decide to download and install it. But what you don't know is that the software has a keylogger embedded in it, and this keylogger covertly installs on your machine. And what happened next? Let's see. Keylogger intercepts your every keystroke, and for example, here you can see a chat conversation intercepted by a keylogger. As you can see, every word and even every sign of your conversation is on the screen of the attacker. Here is another example of a keylogger. Here you can see that all victim's activity is recorded, and you can find here email accounts, credit cards numbers, passwords, actually everything you make with touching the keyboard will come to an attacker. Very dangerous, isn't it? So, let's see how we can protect ourselves. For that purpose, we need some special software. There are many different anti-keylogger software, but for today's demonstration, I use Key Scrambler. This software is the oldest and actually the simplest to understand how we can protect from a keylogger. So, let's see how it works. First, you type something on your keyboard, and these keystrokes enter Windows OS. And then Key Scrambler encrypts your keystrokes, and they go through Windows OS in the encrypted state. So, even if a keylogger is installed on your machine and you aren't aware about that, the keylogger can intercept only some encrypted gibberish. All your data are safe. Then, when your keystrokes get to the application they are assigned at, the Key Scrambler decrypts them, so the application sees it in the normal view. Thus, all the process is secure and keylogger can do nothing with your data. Now let's go and see how it works in the wild. Here is the web page of Key Scrambler. Be careful and download it only from this URL, because there are many fake websites that can spread malware disguised as Key Scrambler. But here is the official site, so let's go and download it. There are different versions of Key Scrambler. Of course, we choose free download, as for every software in this course. Click on it, and here we are. And now we need to reboot our machine. And now, if we click on the arrow here, we can find the Key Scrambler sign here. So it means that now our machine is protected from a keylogger. Also, by clicking on this button, we can turn Key Scrambler on or off. Let's click on it. As you can see, now it's off. And one more click, and now it works. Well, now we know many ways to protect ourselves from social engineering attacks of different kinds. The final step we should do is combining all methods we've learned into the united antisocial engineering strategy. And that is exactly what we'll talk about in the next video. See you in the next video.